Meet NeuroBlock OS Cloud, an end-to-end platform to build, train, and deploy your own expert AI trained on your data and fully under your control. DataLab turns your documents into high-quality training datasets, taking care of the step that usually takes teams weeks of manual work and trains your model on them. OpenData lets you discover, reuse, and share datasets to make every model even more precise. And NeuroAI runs your trained models inside the app, connected to any workflow through an API, or fully deployed on your own infrastructure. Together, they turn your files into smaller, faster expert AI models, purpose-built for your business, fully owned by you, and free of vendor lock-in. Instead of a generic AI for every use case, build a specialized AI for each task, gaining higher efficiency at a fraction of the inference cost. The biggest models can't leave the cloud. A smaller one, trained on your data, runs wherever it's needed.